guys, I received this Argus now from one of my friend. He have issue with the ping. He's telling this Argus one technician he reset it by mistake, and now he is not able to ping any circuits or any lines. So this is my Argus, and this is the technician's Argus which he resetted. So I will try to check it now. What is the issue? After resetting, as per him, he is not able to ping it. Test with the Ethernet cables. I will connect to both of these in the LAN 2, because I need to check the ping first of all. And the second one, in this one I am also going to the Ethernet LAN 2 IP static status, and in this one Ethernet LAN 1 profile, only LAN 1 profile is there. So first of all I will make a new profile. Going to access, then Ethernet, new, access, new, and then I will select Ethernet IP based, and then LAN 2 I will select profile 1, LAN 2 IP, static. Press OK, then save. It's they are night right now, it is available. Okay, I will press OK, then I will press start. These yellow ones should be green if the connectivity is okay. These two will go green. Now you can see, for the first time it will always take some time, but later on when you will use the Argus in the field, it will go fast. So right now it took some time just because I configured a new profile on this Argus. So right now you can see both of them are green, and the LAN speed is 1000 megabits per second, and duplex is full on both of them. Flow control is on, and right now I will go to the edit, and I will go to the IPv4. I will configure IP static mode and own IP. I will configure here 10.10. You can configure anything, but I will configure it 10.10.1 252 in the subnet last, and 10.10.10.2. 2 will be the gateway, and I'll make it a start. And here in this Argus I will go to the IPv4 on IP 10.10.10.2 is my side, this Argus, and subnet mask 252 last, gateway 10.10.10.1. so this is the one, and that one is the other side. Okay, here I need to reset it again. Okay, now I have turned on all the data on both sides. I went to data and turn it on. Now I'll press test on this one, IP ping, then I will configure the IP over here 10.10.10.2. okay, now it is coming. You can see now it is pinging. I will test the ping 10.10.10.1. you can see it is also pinging. It is stopped at 10, only 10 pings, and it's stopped, and this Argus is going on continuously. So that is because I need to increase the number of pings. So I went to IP pings and I will press settings, number of pings, I will make it 1000. So number of pings will go up to 1000. As you can see, all the ping is okay, everything. So that means he just reset it, so he need to configure all the profiles. So if it takes too much time for configuring each profile, we can also just take the configuration file from this Argus and copy it over here in this one. So we'll show you how to do that one, is to save time, although it will take a little bit time for the first time if you are doing that one, but we'll see how it works. Now as you can see in both Argus, these are the profiles. In my Argus there is a lot of profiles, different profiles for different test lines, and here you can see only few of them. So he cannot test anything in this Argus. He need to configure all the new profiles for his test. So you can see the difference. In this one I have a lot of profiles and he don't have it, so he need to configure each one one by one. So I will try to configure the same file and copy it over here. If we can do that one, we'll show you right now. This argus.info website. You can download the softwares required to do the configuration for Argus. You will go to the products, services, here you can see downloads. In download section you will find the softwares over here. I will go ahead for Argus. There is a Win Plus tool, you can see Win Analyze, and there is Argus Update tool, configuration tools. There are two softwares, you need to download both of them. One is for firmware update and the other one is to access the files inside your Argus. Here down you can see the Win Analyze software. It is in different languages, so before downloading must read all the information. You can see this is in German, so you need whatever language you need, just download the same file. Win Analyze, this is manual, and the software is over here for English, update tool. So I have already downloaded and installed both the softwares in my laptop. Here is the cable which comes with the Argus, the data cable for Argus. So we'll connect our Argus with this data cable. In the Argus side, this is the USB-B. I will connect this cable over here, and the other end is in the laptop USB side. First I want to show you help. You will go Argus info. This is the Argus info. You can see the loader version is version 7.47 and serial number, and the software version you can see R2.32. This is the software version. So this is the version, you can see 2.32. in the last also it is written, so your software version is 2.32. now I will just go again for the Argus update tool. I will select Argus. Once you will connect with the USB, you will find the COM port, this 20, and I will connect next. It will try to detect the Argus which is connected. I have turned off the Argus and turn it on again. The Argus screen will be like this once it is turned on. Once the Argus is found in the with the software, it will show you this screen, flash loader, wait for data on the Argus. And here on the software you can see it will be detected Argus 165 and the serial number and the version on the current firmware on the Argus. So you will press next. So the latest one which I have is Argus 3.8 version. I will see if there is any new version. Argus 165, and then I will select this is the German, this is English. Argus 165 firmware including manual, menu, English. Firmware 4.40. okay, we need only firmware, so I will download this file, save it. The download is going on. Once the download is finished, we will continue. Now this one is downloaded. I'm making a new folder in the Argus files. I will extract here. So this is the readme for this one. Okay. Okay, here I will select the new one, the 2020. I make a new folder, open. Now you can see the version is 4.40, the new version. I will press OK and we'll select next. And the Argus will restart at the same time. And we'll press next. It is written 31 minutes it will take. So you must connect a power charger for both of your laptop and Argus. As you can see now, the firmware of Argus tester has been updated successfully. Close the program. We'll close it now, and you can see the Argus is restarting, and the Argus version is 4.40. So this is the right now new version of 4.40, and right now all the profiles are not available, so it is cleanly right now. So we'll try to get the files from our old Argus, and we'll connect the Argus right now. This is Argus Win Plus software. So here we can get the files from the Argus. So I will first of all disconnect this Argus right now. I'm connecting it to my old Argus over here, and it's turning on. I have clicked on the connect this icon and I will press OK. And now I can access my Argus. I will press Argus configuration. So receive the current configuration from Argus. So here you can see the file which I will download right now. So this is the one, I got it right now. It is with the dates. It is saved in the WinAnalyze directory. I will close it right now and close it from here. And we'll connect the new Argus. This file, write the selected configuration into Argus. You can select what are the things you want to configure in this Argus. You want to transfer the information, so I'm selecting all of them, but firmware, I'm thinking about not to configure firmware update. Because I have already updated the firmware to the latest one, because in my Argus it was the old one. And at the same time you can see over here in the Argus it is restarting now. Right now I'm configuring it to 3.8 version firmware, because the configuration in my old Argus is different. We cannot shift it to the new one. Now I have installed a 3.8 version in Argus. You can see this is 3.8 version right now. So I will connect it through WinPlus software, using WinPlus software over here. And the files which I have downloaded it from my old Argus. I will try to write this file on this Argus. Write the selected configuration into Argus. I will press this one press OK. Now you can see all the profiles which were in my old Argus. I have shifted all of the Argus, all of the configuration is now in this new Argus. So the problem before what I was facing is when I installed the firmware to 4.40 version, in that one it is not supporting the uploaded file which I got it for which I retrieved the file from my old Argus, cannot be configured with the 4.40 version. So the version must be the same or a little bit different, it will work, because before I have the version 3.7 in my old Argus, now I have installed it on 3.8, so it is working on 3.8. all the profiles which I have in the old Argus, it is now in this one. You can downgrade from the 4.4 version to 3.7 or 3.8, whatever you want. So you because the configuration will not work if the version is a different version, will not support the configuration file. So that's why the version must be same on both Argus to be configured. Now I'm selecting the 3.8 version. I'll press OK. I'll press next. And here you can see the erase flash and firmware is updating. It will take almost half an hour for the complete process. Okay, after configuring both the Argus, you can see all the access profiles are available in this another Argus. You can see over here I have copied the configuration file from this Argus to this Argus. Now we will test both of them. So I will test with the fiber cable right now. I will select the profile over here, Ethernet SFP1 IP static, and I will make it start, and we'll go here with the same SFP1 IP static start, and I will connect the fiber cables over here in the SFP. And we'll connect the fiber cables in this Argus. As soon as you connect it, you can see green light is coming over here, and it is showing the arrow in the green, so it is up right now. We'll check the configuration for the IP addresses what I have configured over here. In this one I have given 10.10.2, and for the gateway 10.10.10.1, and over here in this Argus I have given the IP address 1 and the gateway will be 2. And we'll go to the data and then we'll press start. Also over here we'll press start, then I will start the test. Ping IP here also I will ping 2 on this one and 1 on this one. We'll press start and you can see the ping is going on and it is perfectly fine. Sent and receive are the same, no drops. So this is how you can configure both the Argus with the, you can say it's a clone copy for all the configuration in one of your Argus that you need to be copied on the other one. So it is a simple process. The thing only which takes time is for the firmware update. If you want to change the firmware version, then it will take a lot of time for that one. That is almost half an hour it will take. If you need to configure the profiles, the same profiles from one Argus to another one, then it is a simple process. It will only take 3 to 4 minutes. That's enough for that one. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe my channel.